Welcome to John Deere 110. Very, very nice. We just put all brand new tires on it. I think that's the one. I've got two of them. Of course, four-wheel drive. Quick attach bucket, 3-point hitch, drill guard, quick coupler rear bucket. We put new front tires and the two rear tires about 95%. Very, very nice. Quick attach front motor bucket. Original paint. Came from governmental. Dark out here, so I don't know how good the pictures and video will be, but it's a very nice, it's got a diesel, quick attach front loader bucket with a bolt-on cutting edge, John Deere bucket, four-wheel drive, drill guard, there's HYDROSTATIC. It's got a detachable rear backhoe and you put a 3-point hitch on it with rear hydraulics. Very tight machine. Very nice backhoe. Rear tires about 90-95% at least. Front tires are brand new. Got one little tear right there. Quick attach John Deere front motor bucket. Hold on that edge. Stop the rear. Very nice bucket. Very straight, looks nice. Commercial grade. And I think it's only 20-some hours. Let's see. 2170.